I just seen the coolest car drive by. Did you see that car? Did you see that car? That car was so cool. Did you see it? Did you see that white car? You're all like, who are you talking to? I'm talking to Cohen. He's in the window. Yeah. So, we're out here. And as you can tell right there, we have some more wrap off of the Corvette on the ground. And that is what we're here to do today. So my name is Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette channel. And I'll tell you why the car's sitting outside here in a second. I mean, would you just look at that? Look at that. It comes off so much easier. You just let it sit out in the sun, which I'm not going to point you guys at the sun, but if you want to remove a wrap, the best way to do it, the best time to do it, is when it's nice outside. And right now I want to say it's 65, 67, something like that. And even with it just being like that, I mean, you guys see that? So I guess you could officially say that the car should be back to white by today. And I did mention that we would have, on the first video, there'd be maybe 4 videos over this, but there may actually only be 3. We'll see how long it takes. I'm going to actually set up this time, I'm going to set up a time lapse to do this entire side so you guys can kind of watch the whole process, check out our nice little pile afterwards. I'm going to go find my tripod, set you guys up, and we're going to knock this car out. Let's go. To have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3
people on.
Cowboy dance.
Whew. That is a lot of work there, guys. It might not look like it, but that took me 30 minutes to get the rest of this fender, the door, and the rear quarter off. Let's go ahead and have a close-up look though, because there's some stuff we're gonna have to do. Right here, first off the bat, is the mirror. This stuff, when we did this, we took this mirror off, so I'm gonna have to take this mirror off and get the rest of that wrap out. And also back here, it goes behind, and it's actually bolted down to this weather stripping. So we're gonna have to take that weather stripping off. No biggie. However, boy does she look good white again. Kind of missed that. Look at that top. Is that gonna stay? Is that gonna stay? Tell me in 5 seconds if that's gonna stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You better drop those down below. I'll tell you later. You'll find out. Maybe this video, it might be the next. And who knows? Maybe it'll be in the last video. So now we're gonna come over here, do this door real quick. Luckily on this side, I shouldn't have to take the mirror off because we didn't do it that way. We actually just kind of cut a circle like up here and then kind of tucked it, cut the extra off that way. Hopefully this one's a little easier. However, we're gonna find out. So let's get to it. Check this out. All right, well, there we go. Oh, dang it, I forgot those. All right, anyhow, I'm gonna do that off camera. I'll get those and come back at you guys with another wrap removal video. And what we're gonna focus on in that video is stuff like this back here. I need to take this off. I've already taken off the taillights in this piece. I need to remove, remove this one to get behind there. And then my mirror, like I said earlier, that weather stripping piece. And down here, so the next video basically going to be a touch-up video on how to get into all the cracks and crevices of the Corvette and fully remove a wrap, minus the hood. The hood is staying 100%. The hood is going to stay forever. I need your guys' signatures. If you see my car out in public, give me a message, shoot me a message on Instagram or something, and I'll be out shortly because I have a Sharpie in my car and you can sign my hood. Our latest signature comes from Alicia and Billy. Happy birthday, Billy. I know it's your birthday today. As for the rest of these signatures, shout out to you guys. Thank you for already signing the hood. And as I said earlier, if you haven't yet, we need your signature. So if you spot us, get out here and sign it. Yeah, those motorcycles are loud, huh? Aren't they? All right, we will watch you. Woo! Oh. I think you're running on a flat tire there. It didn't stop Ricky Bobby. You popping wheelies? Oh boy. Oh no, he's already popping wheelies. Woo. Oh, right. I forgot, there's one pile. It's almost as big as our tire. All right, not really. Here's our other pile. It's a little bit smaller because it was just the one door. So, I think she's looking pretty in white. We're gonna finish taking off some of the teal up here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave us a thumbs up. Drop those comments down below. Let me know what you think. Should the back stay or should it go? Should it stay or go? I don't know. You tell me. Drop a thumbs down if you want it to go. Drop a thumbs up if you want it to stay. Either way, thumbs up, thumbs down, it helps. Anyhow, we'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. Yeah, we're showing them. Right now we're showing them.